Hello again, Tim Vath here, Tim Vath Motorsports. I'm at Specialties Performance again here, more Mafia. We got a couple of these real nice 2022 Suzuki Hayabusas in. Both of these bikes both have just a hair over 1,100 miles on them. Both are equipped with Brock's exhaust. This one has a Brock's Alien head on it. This one's also been lowered, both front and rear. It's got the HTP handlebar set up on it, which is a real nice stock looking handlebar, but it does let you slide the fork tubes through the top of the triple tree, which is a nice addition. Super clean bike again, still under factory warranty, only 1,115 miles on that one. This one here we just recently received. This one also has a Brock's Penta carbon. The customer actually did the blackout edition on this one, so all the stuff that you see gold that's on this, he converted that all to black on here. It looks really good. He had the chrome piece that was originally chrome here. He had that wrapped in black, and the rest of it, all the gold stuff, he had painted, all the gold accents. Super clean bike, both of them. This one's got the Brock's Penta carbon exhaust on it in black. Looks good, sounds good. I'm going to fire one of these up. They sound real similar because they are both Brock's Performance packages. This one fire up here. Make sure we're neutral. Than that. They are, and this one sounds real similar with the Brock's Alien head exhaust on it. Both of these bikes are for sale at Specialties Performance, more Mafia. I do sell here, so if you need anything, feel free to contact me, Tim Vath, at Specialties. We'll be glad to help you out. These are new new 2022s, better than new, because both of them got about $3,000 to $4,000 worth of accessories on them. So they are certainly nice, and going to make somebody a nice bike, or two if you want to buy both of them. They're both available. Contact me. Thank you. Bye-bye.